Hi guys, I am again here from Bhavani Guidance with a very ignored, actually not ignored, but misunderstood topic, that is maturity. The place where I am, it's very calm and soothing, no? Yeah, ignore a bit background noise. Neighbors are there, right? So, but still it's very calm, no? You are getting now the word calm. See, there are trees. Actually, it's around 7, so that's why it's not clearly visible. So, coming back. So, the first thing which you need to get mature is a calm mind. It's very important. It's the basic criteria of maturity. Without a calm mind, you cannot be mature. Now, coming to what is maturity. Maturity is an art, it's a life skill. It's a life skill of making the correct choices. It's a life skill of handling the situations around you. It's about handling yourself so that you can bring up a open society, right? So that the idea of open society is not just ideal. Okay, we need to bring this idea into reality. Okay, I hope I am resonating. I hope I am vibing with you guys, right? So there are some things, okay, which are abstaining us from being mature. You can see these gates. These gates are our judgmental mind. Okay, we judge and we isolate from people. Yeah, you are getting me right. That maturity is not about making frowning faces like an old man. No, it's not at all. It's about being a jolly bright sun, and your radiating energy is going to empower others, right? It will help them smile. So that's maturity. You radiate positive vibes and make sure that you need to have faith in the divine. Yes, because that's the main source of positivity. You can see the leaves are so spread. They are spreading like anything despite the obstacles. You can see the wires are there. Similarly, your thoughts and you should be. You should not feel ashamed of sharing your views, sharing your emotions. Okay, no. Hiding is not the key. It's about celebrating you and yourself. That's maturity. You have to be mature and brave enough. See, that's moon affirming you, right? That you need to be mature and brave enough to express what you feel. Okay, to express what you need, to communicate. We need to communicate. We need to communicate our needs. We need to understand people. Maturity is also about understanding people. If someone is hurting you, then you need to understand that उनका level नहीं है. They are not of that level. They are not that much mature. Okay, they are abstaining from maturity. Okay, that's why they are choosing to isolate. They are choosing to simply cut off. But no, we have been given a world to connect. Am I vibing? I hope yes. So maturity is about ditching the orthodoxy and shining bright the positivity and spreading it, right? That's maturity. Am I vibing? So yes. The most important role of maturity comes while dealing with people and making choices. So we need to learn how to deal with people. You learn this gradually, okay? First of all, I tell everyone that speak clearly your needs, demarcate better. Demarcating and moderating your ideas is very important. Like moderate in love. I mean, love in moderate. Sorry, love in moderate. Okay, hate in moderate. Okay. Stay away from obsession. If you want to stay away from something, I tell you stay away from obsession. Maturity is not about ghosting people. It's about facing your challenges. Okay. It's about spreading the wings. Spread your wings and just grow. Yeah, wanted to tell you one more thing about maturity. Maturity is not about leaving your loved ones in their hard times. It's not about leaving them when they are not understanding you. No way. You communicate better. You wait for them to get normal. Okay, you understand that they are not in a mood to understand because of their situations, right? So that's why I say that understand people's situation. Yeah, this one is like I have done some do's and don'ts. Actually, there can be an infinite list for that depending upon the type of a person, for the do's and don'ts of maturity. Okay, so I hope I am vibing. And this was the last thing which I wanted to say, because people are nowadays people leave too quickly, but it's too hard to hold. Okay, so I tell you to hold. Okay, you amend yourself a bit, in the sense you mature. Okay, you don't compromise yourself in a relationship, but amend yourself, change yourself for the partner, in sense you are transforming. Okay, in sense you are getting better at maturity. I hope I am vibing better, right? You are getting my point. Yeah, I guess you have got the feel to stay in a relationship, right? Provided that's not hurting your self-respect. I repeat that again and again. Okay, nobody has the right to hurt your self-respect. You communicate to your partner better that you cannot hurt my self-respect. You tell them, and then you do have the right to stay angry. Come on, stay angry. You are mature. You can deal with situations. You have to deal with situations using your brain. So stay angry. Come on, it's time for you to stay angry from your partner, from your friend. Okay, and wait for them. Like, okay, and they will surely come to convince you, definitely, because they love you. They will take that. Okay, then kindly ignore the background. Maturity is not about being depressed. Nowadays it's so cool now, like in social media it appears to be so cool that being sad, being melancholic is something highly appreciated on social media, right? It's something highly appreciated in Bollywood. If you want to be mature, I would like to say, if you are a beginner, then abstain from Bollywood. It's a total shit, it's a total drama, and stay away from all sorts of drama. Okay, you just simply ditch people who are hurting your self-respect. Okay, that's maturity. Okay, maturity is not about leaving those people who love you. No, maturity is about leaving toxic peoples. Am I vibing? Yes, I should vibe, and you need to understand that. Yeah, one more thing I would like to say for girls: maturity is not at all leaving your career for your partner. No, no way. Maturity is to choose a partner who will understand your career, right? So I would like to conclude this video by saying that maturity is about self-picking yourself. It's about blooming. It's about self-starting yourself. And with your energy, you need to pump others so that they can get started and make this world a better place. A place where there is no place for orthodoxy, and where every flower can bloom, right? Even बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है वैसे. So same goes for here. So it's time for you to bloom and shine. May your shine get reflected by someone, right? And let them be the moon at least. They should discover the best of themselves, right? So I hope you like this video about maturity, and I hope you got the idea. It's more to vibe with people than to express with words. This is what I believe. Okay. So thank you so much for your dedication to watch the video completely. Thanks a lot. Okay then, so be the light, like this pole light. Okay, actually like this moon. Be natural, like this moon. Okay, and like sun, of course. Okay, don't show attitude. Maturity is not about showing attitude. It's about embracing people. It's about kindness. It's about love. It's about expressing your views. It's about loving people for their imperfections too. It's about it's about abstaining from judging others, it's about loving. Maturity is about loving others and the surrounding more and more.